It's hump day, hymn time, hump day, hymn time, hump day, hymn time, hump day, hymn time. And I'm at General Council with all these wonderful folks. We all went to college together. It's the CBC reunion tonight, or Evangel University, but we're all CBC group. So we're going to sing All Hail the Power, all right? And I'm going to turn it around, and I'm going to just do this. Ready, everybody, honey? I want you in it, though.
Renee, start us off.
No. Ready? All hail the power of Jesus' name.
Let angels prostrate fall. Bring forth the royal diadem and crown him Lord of all. Bring forth the royal diadem and crown him Lord of all.
And we didn't even practice! Hey! Here's your Home Day Hymn lady signing out.